In many countries, women drivers are now so common that insurance companies are actually tailoring some of their insurance packages just for women. While insurance is always necessary, it is quite important for women to acquire car insurance. For one thing, since many women have joined the workforce and are making good money, they are now more independent than before and buying items which previously the men in the family would have bought. This has resulted in women being somewhat illiterate when it comes to the more mundane things like car insurance. Women now buy their own homes and in many cases buy cars. This of course leads to the need to buy car insurance, since to be without would be foolhardy. There are a few things for a woman to consider before buying car insurance. First and foremost is, do not let the premium, which is the monthly cost for the insurance, be the deciding factor. What is important is that you have adequate coverage for your car. If you have a fairly new model which you plan to keep for some years, then you might want to consider buying a full insurance package. This covers practically anything that can happen to the car and covers all the costs even if you cause the accident. Get all the information necessary before choosing a car insurance, since the rules vary from one company to the other. Do research on the internet, and while it may be boring work, it could also save you a lot of money in the end. Check out what Consumer Reports say about different insurance companies and how they treat customer claims. Get information from the local authorities about the companies you are interested in and if they are reliable and if they have been around for a long time. Women and men have different views on what is important when it comes to status symbols and what they would like to show off. For a woman, maybe having the latest designer dress and matching shoes with an appropriate hairdo is what she would like to show off. For her, a car is just a way to get from one place to another in relative comfort. This is reflected in the kind of cars that women buy. No flashy sports car which would incur high premiums, but a more sturdy, reliable car which has a reasonable premium. For a woman, it is good to know that insurance companies regard women drivers as assets, since they pay premiums on time and follow traffic laws more carefully than male drivers. If a woman is involved in a traffic accident with a man, then statistics have proven that the male driver is more likely to be the one at fault. This of course is another reason for a woman to have a good car insurance. Not only the police but even insurance investigators tend to scrutinize the actions of a male driver with more suspicion, since they know from experience that men are more reckless and will often try to blame the other part. Find out basic tips on reducing car insurance premium for women every year. Compare auto insurance quotes online and buy new insurance policy instantly. Share this video and subscribe for more interesting auto insurance tips.